The homeboy Nipsey Hussle said, the marathon continues. The marathon continues. I really believe that we're not sprinters. We have to be marathon runners, whether it's ministry, whether it's business.
Personal financial planning, meaning that you have quantified what dollar amount it takes for you to live in your current quality of life. A lot of people don't know that because most of us, we put our bills together and our expenses together every month, and we really don't include the things that are necessary, like health insurance and life insurance and savings and maybe a vacation.
What is my bigger picture practically? Because just knowing his ain't enough either. Because that done played us for years. And the only people who do good off that is Rev and his old lady.
That's what we see.
But I want everybody to get in on this deal. And in order for us to get in on this deal, we have to understand God's got a bigger picture. He wants to establish his covenant on the earth, which is why he wants to give me the power to get wealth. But he wants me to have some skin in the game too. Because everything I'm doing, I ain't just doing for the kingdom. I'm doing to make sure my boo good. I'm doing to make sure my grandkids are straight. You see, when I don't have my part in the deal, I'm not going to be motivated to do what needs to be done when I start getting into the details of what power to get wealth really looks like.